Hello guys, welcome back. This is Mark Rick. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you may see the new update. And today's topic, we are looking at solving the system of equation which has got three variables, which is x, y, z. So the most important thing when you are solving a simultaneous equation which has got three variables, what you have to do, you have to take it into two variables. By so making that, we have to make one of the variable to be subject to the formula. So let's take this last equation here. We have x plus 2y minus z equals 6. Then let's make x the subject to the formula. Then it will be x equals 6. Then positive 2y, when I process the equal sign, it will be minus 2y. When z crosses the equal sign to be plus z. So here what they mean that where there is x in this remaining equation, we are going to substitute with 6 minus 2y plus z, in which it will be 3 open 6 minus 2y plus z plus 4 plus this 4y plus z equals 10. Then 3 times the 6, which is 18, minus 3 times the 2, which is 6y, 3 times z, which is plus 3z, plus 4y, plus z, which is equals to 10. Then let's correct the right term. It will be minus 6y plus 4y plus 3z plus z equals 10. When positive 18 across the equal sign, it will be minus 18, in which it will be negative 6y plus 4, which is minus 2y. Then 3z plus 4z plus z, it will be plus 4z, which is equals to 10 minus 18, which is minus 8. Then let's divide with negative. We can have to make sure that the first number has got a positive integers, in which it will be, you divide both sides by minus 1, in which it will be 2y, negative times positive, which is minus 4z, equals negative into negative 8, which is 8. This is the equation 1. Let's make equation 2, in which it will be, let's take this one, it will be 2 outside, then 6 minus 2y plus z in the bracket, then minus 3y plus 5z equals 9, minus 9 here. Then here 2 times the 6, which is 12, minus 2 times the 2, which is minus 4y, 2 times z, which is plus 2z, then minus 3y plus 5z equals minus 9. Let's conclude this one. Let's make it here. Let's make it like this one. Then here we are going to have minus 4y minus 3y, then plus 2z plus 5z, which is equals to minus 9. When 12 crosses the equal sign, it will be minus 12. Then here we are going to have minus 7y plus 2 plus 5, which is 7z, equals negative 9 minus 12, which is minus 21. Like I said, you can't leave this number with the negative, so we are going to divide with negative 1, negative 1, in which we are going to have 7y negative times positive, which is minus 6, 7, 7, this is 7z, equals negative 1 into negative 21, we are going to have 21. So we have two equations now, 7y minus 7z, which is equals to 21. Let's make y the subject of the formula, in which it will be 7y minus c. These are the equation which we extracted from this equation here. Then here we're going to have which is equals to 21. When 7z, the crosses the equation to be plus 7z. Then divided by 7, we have to make sure that z is all around. Then it will be 21 plus 7z divided by 7. So this here, what they mean that we have to substitute where there is 1. So we are going to take the first equation, in which it will be 2 open 21 plus 7z in the brackets, then minus 4z, which is equals to 8. Then 2 times the 21, here is over 7. The most important thing when you have a fraction like this one, what they mean here, you have to multiply this 7 times 4 times 8, in which it will be 2 times the 21, which is 42, plus 2 times the 2 times 7, 14z, then minus the 4. We are going to have 28z, which is equals to 7 times 6, 7 times 8, which is 56. Here we are going to have 14z minus 28. 14 minus 28, we are going to have minus 14z, which is equals to 56 minus 42. Minus 14z equals 56 minus 42, which is 14. Then we divide by 14 by minus 14. Z, it is minus 1. So let's find the value of y now from this equation here, the first equation, which is 2y minus 4z equals 8. Then let's substitute where is z with the negative 1, which it is 2y minus 4 open minus 4 equals 8. Then 2y negative times the negative, which is positive 4 equals 8. Then 2y equals 8. When 4 crosses the equal sign, it will be minus 4, which is 2y equals 8 minus 4, which is 4. And divided by 2, y, it will be 2. So let's find the value of x now. We are going to take this equation which we have extracted from this equation, in which it will be x plus 2y minus z equals, this is the equation I'm talking about, x plus 2y minus z is equals to 6. So like I said, we have to make x the subject of the formula, in which it will be x equals 6 minus 2y plus z. So we have already found the values of x, y, and z. Z, we have found that x 6 minus 2. Then where is y? We have found that it is 2. Then z, it is minus here or minus 1, in which it will be, let's take it here, in which it will be x equals 6. Then negative 2 times 2, which is minus 4 minus 1. And x equals minus 4 minus 1, which is 6 minus 5. Then x, it will be 1. So therefore, now the values of those variables to be, for x it is 1, y 2, and z it is minus 1.